Hey, what's up people, Martin Unix here and welcome again guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to do official flat twist updo. So guys, it's gonna be a nice style and a quick style. For beginners guys, you can catch up, so just work with me. And thank you guys for enrolling membership. For those who are enrolling, guys, I wanna urge you to like my work, comment and share to your friends. So welcome. So guys, quickly identify the parting area. On my case, I'm gonna be parting my lines at this level just to make sure that I somehow, follow the cornrows. So this is how you do the flat twist, guys. Pick one of the strands, pick the next strand. So kinda do a twist out. It's kinda a twist out movement, but differently from the twist outs which usually hang. Now this twist out lies low on the scalp surface, and it's usually formed by incorporating lock strands as you style backwards. That way guys, now I'm going to do additional lock strand here, and this will be my third lock strand. Pick it, attach it to the right section, twist it a little bit that way. When it comes, the left section comes up once while picking another section from the scalp surface, hence ensuring that the lock strands are in level and lying low on the scalp surface as you work backwards. That way guys, after reaching the ending area, just keep on twisting your lock strands all together that way, forming out that twist out pattern. That way guys, all the way. Then we are going to finish off with traditional 3-strand braid that way. Then I'm gonna secure the ending area. So just for the sake of our beginners guys, we just need to elaborate further on what we have just done on the first section. It's a very official style guys, and it's a nice way guys to advance your creativity as a beginner. So pick the first strand, pick the next strand, try and make a twist out that way while letting your twist outs to lie low on the scalp surface. Now on the right side, whichever side you choose to start with, pick the third strand and incorporate to one of the strands, and then upon reaching that point guys, you will realize that you have got 3 strands, 2 strands on one of the side and 1 strand on one of the side. Make a twist out, let the section with a single strand lie on the scalp surface, then pick and incorporate the 4th strand to that section. So after reaching this area guys, you realize that your strands will be equal in numbers. Then just incorporate strands as you work backwards and make twist outs where need to be as you are finishing way. Twist out your strands all the way back that way. Upon reaching this area guys, I'm gonna do a transitional 3-strand braid just to finish off. Now I'm on my third section guys. You realize that I will have to improve my speed a little bit since I understand that you are catching up that way. These are just creative ideas for you guys to keep on making some progress on your styling journey that way. So this was the parting area, guys. We need to come up with a pattern which shows that this is our parting area, and by doing so, guys, I will separate some strands and make a small pattern here. That way. I'm gonna twist out my strands all the way back. Alright guys, now I've done all the twist outs, and this is how my hair looks like. You can have a look, guys. That's how the lines are arranged all the way to the back. Now guys, we are going to do the updo. Just pick your thread, that is, guys, pick your yarn. Identify one of the areas where you want to begin. For instance, guys, I'm gonna begin at this area. So let's start and kick off by affirming the base. So by doing so, guys, I will be realigning the lines at the base by making sure that I pull the lines and affirm them together at the base using my yarn that way. Keep on attaching the twist outs together that way. Align the twist outs facing upwards and affirm them together using yarn, like on my case. So guys, after aligning your strands upwards, just to maintain that beauty of the twist outs from the way they are coming from the scalp area, climbing upwards, as I've shown that, guys, I've held the strands upwards by use of yarn. Now I'm going to tuck the remaining strands inside the band. Now I'm going to tuck the remaining strands inside the band. Now I'm gonna make a updo by molding the strands all together inside the band. So let's fold the remaining strands. So guys, starting at the base right away, let's furthermore realign our strands. Alright guys, now we are done. You can have a look on how we have carved the flat twist lines to the center. Remember guys, we were coming up with the official updo, which was made up of flat twist. So we have carved the lines to the center. You can have a look, guys. That's how the lines looks like, all the way to the center. And this was our parting area. You can have a look, guys. From the front area, the style is so official. So guys, you can try out this one. It's a nice look for those guys who work in office. It's a style which is calm, guys. It's a style that you can wear in all occasions. It's a lovely look, guys. You can do this style in weddings. You can as well, guys, do this style on your burial ceremonies. It's a style which is not shouting, it's very official. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for choosing to watch my content. Guys, as usual, I wanna encourage you to support the channel by joining membership. And thank you guys for being there. I hope my tutorial has been quite informative. Thank you guys, and stay locked for the next tutorial.